Want to set up Rocky, the practical AI operator built on Hermes Agent? Start here. Rocky is not just a chatbot. It is a tool-using assistant that can work across files, browsers, terminals, websites, messages, schedules, memory, and creative workflows when you enable the right parts. The beginner path is simple. First, install Hermes Agent from the official Hermes docs. Second, run Hermes Setup or Hermes Setup. Portal if you want the guided portal path. Third, choose at least one model provider, such as Noose Portal, OpenAI Codex through ChatGPT, Anthropic Claude, OpenRouter, Gemini, or another supported provider. Fourth, run Hermes Doctor, so the local install can tell you what is missing before you start automating real work. Then launch Hermes and ask one small task, like summarize a file or search the web. The important beginner rule is do not try to configure everything at once. Get the base agent working, verify it, then add tools, memory, gateway messaging, and cron jobs one layer at a time. That is how Rocky stays useful instead of becoming a mystery box.